Hello Techstars, welcome to Kitty Tech View. Today we'll be learning how to build a maths game. Open to your Scratch and let's get started. So the maths game we're going to be building is going to be more like a multiplication quiz where you get to fill in the answer. It's going to be more like what is 1 times 1. Then you put in the answer. If your answer is correct, you get a clap. If it's wrong, I'm sorry. But whichever way, the right answer is going to be shown to you. So let's get started. First thing, we're going to delete our sprites and we're going to choose our own sprite. So let's move over to our sprite list and we're going to choose sprite Devin. So this is sprite Devin. And let's move over to our backdrop list. I'm going to use backdrop chalkboard. So I'm going to place my Devin to my right, and that's perfect there. So the next step we're going to do, next thing we're going to do, we're going to make variables, 5 variables. So first variable is going to be 1, next variable is going to be 2, next variable is going to be answer, next variable is going to be correct, and our last variable is going to be wrong. So I will just close up my 1, 2, answer, and I'm going to arrange my correct and my wrong upward here and here. Okay, so now let's switch to our code. First thing, move over to the events and let's drag a when green flag clicks. Next we're going to go to our control and we're going to choose a forever block. Then we'll move over to your variables and let's choose the set. We're going to take that 3 times. Now we set 1 to 0, set 2, 0, set answer to 0. Now let's move over to operators and let's pick random place where you have a 0. We're going to do that twice. Place where you have a 0. Now set answer to move up here. You're going to see your operators. You're going to see the plus, minus, multiplication, division. So since what we're doing has to do with multiplication, so I'm going to choose the multiplication operator and place it here. We'll move over to a variable. Let's take our 1, place here, and number 2, and place it. Let's go back to our sensing and choose where ask what's your name. Move over to your operators, choose the join, place that here. Let's change this apple to what is. Good. Now bring out your join, place it where you have the banana. Good. Go back to your variables, pick 1, place it in apple. Go back to operators, choose the join again, place it here. Let's clean up this apple. Let's place our multiplication sign there. Good. Then go back to our variables again. Pick number 2 variable and place that here. So we're done. Now let's move back to our control and let's choose our if else block. So we're going to place that here. Let's move over to our operators again and let's choose the equal to 50, looking more like a pentagon, and place it up here where it has the same shape because that's how it fits in. Now let's go to our sensing, choose the answer, place it here, go to variables, pick answer, place it where we have 50. Now If answer is equal to answer, so we want to make a sound for when you're correct. People have to clap for you, just like what you have in school, class. Teacher makes everyone clap for you when you get an answer right. So we want to use two sounds, one for clapping and the other one for is a losing sound. So let's move back to our sound, just upward. Let's hover around to our sound list and let's choose our sound. Now let's use the search. Let's use clapping. Pick clapping. Let me see how that goes. Let's move back to no, before we do that, let's go and choose our loose sound. So search again, loose, and let's see how that goes. Sorry. And let's go back to our code. So if answer equals to answer, let's move over to our sound. And let's choose start sound. Let's change the loose to clapping. And let's go back to our looks. And let's take say hello for 2 seconds and place under here. And let's change this hello to correct. Then let's move back to a variable. Let's choose the change variable. And let's change from 1 to correct. Alright. Else, if your answer so else, let's move back to our sound again. And let's put start sound. If we put that under here, start sound loose, then let's go back to the mix and take say hello for 2 seconds. Let's change the hello to wrong. Let's go back to our variables and let's just change 1. Let's change the 1 to wrong. Then move this upward a little bit. Let's go back to our looks again and say instead of hello, let's go back to our variables and let's put answer there. Good. So we are done with this. Now we need to make an extra block. Let's choose when key space pressed. Let's go back to our control and choose the forever block. Now let's set our variables. So let's put in the set twice. Place that here. Let's change to correct. And let's change this to wrong. Now we can start our game. So let's click here. What is 3 times 1? 3. Thank you so much. What's 6 times 7? Now I'm going to place in the wrong answer. So let me put 12. Now we're done with our code. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.